Hi, Sonia here. I have to remember to look at the camera instead of over here. Anyway, hi, I have just got home from an afternoon in Anchorage, and I actually went swimming, and I actually went to a water park with a group of friends, which is a huge deal for me. There was a time a few years ago when there's no way I would do that. I was too insecure and scared of myself and what I looked like and what people would think. And so much has changed. And I'm talking about that part because honestly, it's a huge, the skincare, handcrafted skincare using essential oils as aromatherapeuticals, which is what I do, right? Oh my God, changed my life. They have absolutely transformed my life. The confidence that I got as a result of being part of my daily cleansing and using essential oils that help ground my spiritual with my mental and my physical, that experience has changed my world. And so everything about how I live today is a result of that process. Really following my dreams, leading me to that, then leading me to becoming more confident and more comfortable in my own skin. And so it's really cool. But I also thought this would be a good opportunity to show my basic facial range and show the daily cleansing process, right? And so because I was in a swimming pool, normally I probably wouldn't do this till later at night, but because I can already feel my skin feels dry and off balance. So, and I'm going to use my anti-aging serum, which is exciting because when you're looking at using serums and creams and day lotions and all the things, and when you want to choose those different products, the serum, using a serum is best around 4 p.m. in the afternoon, right? And so that's the time that's suggested for the best absorption and benefit of using a serum that has active ingredients in it. And so I'm going to do a cleansing, and this is not my standard cleanser. I'm broke, so I can't so I don't want to use all my products cleanser that I made for myself in my kitchen, and I just use like a less expensive oil and a less expensive hydrosol that I had left over. And so I want to shake that to create the emulsion, the emulsion, I need to get back here, the effect of emulsion. And it's kind of hard to see me, it's almost too much light. And so I'm going to actually cleanse here in circular motions. That circular motion is actually really nice for the skin. It's almost like a little mini massage. And it helps pull dirt. So because this is an oil-based cleanser, I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, it's an oil-based cleanser. It is going to be very gentle on the skin. So it's going to basically, the oil and water combo is what it's going to do. It's going to pull from your skin. It's going to pull all the oil-soluble and water-soluble compounds and impurities that are on your skin. And so and normally, and what I'll probably do later, is I'll do maybe a deeper cleanse. I would do my gentle cleanser now. I'm sorry, this is my gentle cleanser. I would do my cream cleanser, my luxury cream cleanser. But that requires like hot water and a rag. So, I'm going to go ahead and do my Restore Anti-Aging Toner, which is really a rejuvenating toner. But the essential oils that I use in here, and normally I actually use a cotton ball for this. Okay, so I'm going to just also circular motions, and the toner or the hydrosols, right, which you can use to make a toner even without the essential oils. Those are going to help kind of cool the skin. It's going to tighten my pores. It's tonifying. It is going to help balance the pH of my skin. And on a day like today where I was actually at the water park, which means I was in chlorinated water, I don't usually do much. I don't wear a lot of makeup, and I don't expose myself to a whole lot of environmental toxins aside from what's already outside. And so there we go, kind of a better view right there. And so I don't normally feel the need to do this. And today, because I had the chlorine from the water park, I felt like I had the need to actually do something to protect my skin, because I think what I've discovered recently is that somewhere between 3 and 15% of our skin condition is a result of genetic makeup, which means that around 90 or more percent is a result of environmental factors. And so a lot of taking care of my skin, I mean, the nice products are nice, right? I want to feed my skin good products, but I also want to protect my skin from the elements or treat it once it's exposed. And then I'm going to use my serum because, like I said, that's a really good product to use like earlier in the evening or afternoon when you wash your face. You can use it later, but you're going to get your optimum absorption from the oils like this earlier in the evening, whereas your nourishing cream, your skin is driest around 2 in the morning. So it's always good to put your nourishing, heavier creams and moisturizers on later in the evening, so right before bed, because you want them to be able to work with your skin during that super dry time. And of course, when you're using organic or natural based skincare products, handcrafted like this, you're using direct butters and oils, which will take longer to absorb into your skin. So that's appropriate. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and just massage, give myself a little face massage with this serum. This serum has evening primrose oil, rosehip seed oil, olive squalane, and several really awesome, vibrant, aging essential oils and plant oils. It's really very good for your skin. And so, this is very good for my skin. Okay. All right, I am ready to tackle the evening now. Thanks for joining and watching. If you have any questions, comment below. I saw a few people join, and I don't know if anybody's on now, but thank you. Have a great day. Bye.